Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the Hotmail Creator, Email Verifier, and Account Monitor within the Account Creator. You can see the tabs right up here at top. We'll go over to the Hotmail Creator tab. This Hotmail Creator we created it just to be very simple and easy to use. Basically, just set your number of accounts. Say you wanted to create 3 Hotmail accounts, and then just click Create Hotmail Accounts. It's that simple. When your accounts are created, they will be added to this Hotmail accounts.txt file in your FCS networker folder, and you will see the word available afterwards. When accounts are unused, you'll see available. Once they've been used, it'll switch to the word used. And that's really it with the Hotmail account creator. It's very simple. If you're creating more than 2 or 3 Hotmail accounts a day, I would suggest using Proxies. For Hotmail, you're going to need some pretty decent proxies because they're really good at blocking, low-level proxies and whatnot. But if you're just creating 2 or 3, you should be fine. Any more than that, you might see that Hotmail will block your IP for the day. It's only temporary, and you're just going to have to wait a few hours or whatnot for your IP to be unblocked. But if you're planning on creating a lot, definitely get some decent proxies. Then we got the email verifier. You guys have probably seen something similar to this in other bots. Basically, this is just the email verifier verifies all the emails that are sent after we create accounts at these Web 2.0 and social sites. So we have a couple built-in settings. If you are doing Hotmail, that's built in. If you have an AOL or a Gmail, you could just set these, put your username and password, and the bot will automatically generate the other settings. If you're not using these, just select Other, and then add in your information, your server port, things like that. We have the option to use multi-threading for email verification. The email verification process with multi-threading becomes pretty CPU intensive, so I would only suggest using threads if you get a really powerful computer. If you're seeing performance issues with using threads and whatnot, just run it on one thread. I definitely recommend usually using one thread unless you have a pretty powerful machine. And you could also, it gives you the option if you're using, if you want to check, make sure your settings are right before you create accounts and verify, you can just test your email and it'll let you know whether all your settings are correct for the email verification process. And the last tab here is Account Monitor. Not much to show right here because we haven't created any accounts, but basically you'll see it'll show you what is running right now, what the bot's doing, and it'll also show you the success and failure rates of the Web 2.0 and social accounts. So as the accounts are being created, it'll say, Tumblr created, Multiply created, Posture has failed. It'll just give you a list of, how the bot is doing and what accounts have been successfully created or failed. You'll also notice on the bottom of all the windows is this close window and run in background. What this does is this is just going to close the window, but it also keeps the bot running. So if you click that, all the modules have that. It just closes out the module window so you could minimize the bot while it's running and do some other things. But it doesn't stop the process, so it's just a way to close out the window. And that's about it for the account creator. I'll see you guys in the next videos.